Most grade school children know the global importance of the South American rainforests, yet their parents and decision makers have long since forgotten those basic lessons. Avon by the Sea in New Jersey is about to reconstruct its sandy ravaged boardwalk with ipe wood, a slow-growth tropical rainforest timber. Approximately 2,500 acres of rainforest will be sacrificed to rebuild Avon's boardwalk. The quickest way to slow climate change and the frequency of superstorms like Sandy is to stop importing tropical rainforest hardwoods. Alternatives include recycled plastic lumber or commercially logged northeastern U.S. timber. Unless we stop our self-destruction, we may soon refer to this borough as Avon under the sea. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed people can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has.
Why are we here?
Save the rainforest! Save the rainforest!
Avon Community Governing Board to use rainforest wood to rebuild their boardwalk, which is an interesting concept considering they're going to rebuild one community by destroying two others. I only heard about this in a little article in the newspaper and among my progressive friends, and I decided to get involved in this important issue. It seems that the community is not